What crazy Los Angeles traffic drama did my dash cam capture this time? Let's check them out. Hi, I'm Joy. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, I document my Tesla Model 3 owner experience to help new and future owners learn more about this car. If you find my videos informative and helpful, please consider subscribing. Before I show you the clips of all the crazy LA traffic drama, you may have noticed the t-shirt that I'm wearing today. And let me sit up a little bit more and pull it up. So this is a very simple Tesla Model 3 icon and the word joy. Tesla joy, get it? I decided to design this shirt and to sell it online. There are short sleeves, long sleeves for the ladies, as well as a design for gents and for kids. I'm selling these online to support an organization called Water Mission. This is a nonprofit engineering firm where they design, develop, and build sustainable water solutions in developing countries as well as in disaster areas. I didn't know about this, but there's about 2.1 billion people, or about a third of the world population, that do not have access to safe water. 30% of the proceeds from sales of the shirts, I will be donating them to this organization. So if you like to spread your Tesla joy around, pick up one of my shirts. I'll put a link down below to my store, and you will also be doing good for the world to help those who are less fortunate than us. Thank you very much for your support, and I really appreciate that you can pick up a t-shirt. Now, without further ado, I present to you Joy Mobile Dashcam Footage Compilation Volume 2. I hope you are entertained from all those crazy situations that I've encountered. And once again, please go pick up one of these shirts to help water mission. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe down there. Give this a like. Make comments down below. Let me know what crazy situations your car or you have witnessed lately. And until next week, God bless you.